Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to fix profile view history that is not available on your TikTok application. Now let me give you a brief description about what profile view history actually does. Now the profile view history allows you to see who have viewed your profile on TikTok. In case if the feature is available on your device and you don't know how to turn it on, so you can always check out my videos on YouTube. I will leave the link on the description box as well. Now first thing first, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now let me remind you that in case if you haven't updated your TikTok application, so this might be one of the reasons why the feature isn't available on your device. Now in order to update your TikTok application, what you have to do is just simply tap on the Play Store, and right on top there you can see a search bar. So there enter the name, that is TikTok, and as the info about the application loads, you can see there I have open. So instead of open, in case if you haven't updated, so there will be an update icon. So you have to tap on the update icon and then you'll be able to update your TikTok application. Now moving on, just go back to your home screen, and after updating it, so if the filter does not appear on your TikTok application, so there might be another reason why the filter isn't available. So let me show you another method. Just simply tap on the phone settings, and from here what you have to do is just tap on apps and notification. So next what you have to do is simply tap on TikTok, and on the other page you will land inside the app info. So from here you have to tap on storage. So next what you have to do is just tap on clear cache, which is right in the bottom, and after you clear all data and cache, just simply go back to your home screen, and what you have to do is open TikTok and then log in into your account. So next what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon, which is right in the bottom on the right side. Now next on the profile page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dash icon, which is on the upper right corner, and next you can see a pop-up window right in the bottom. So from there you have to tap on settings and privacy. So as you land inside the info about privacy, what you have to do is just scroll down right to the bottom, and right in the bottom there you can see an icon or an option such as profile view. Just tap on it. Now in order to turn it on, what you have to do is just simply tap on the button, which is on the upper right corner, and here as you can see the profile view history has been turned on, and as well as that the profile view history option is available on my device. And after doing all this process, even the view history does not appear on your device, which means that this kind of feature might not be available on your region or your country. And these are the few methods on how to fix profile view history that is not available on your TikTok application. I hope the video was helpful. In case the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.